This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Matthew Streff. Located in Seville at Andalucia, this spacious energy-efficient home has the best of both worlds with a prime location and over $105,000 in options plus lot premium. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Impress with a kitchen that has over $10,000 in upgraded options, including level 4 granite. Take the party out back with the built-in grill, fireplace, gas fire pit, and fountain. Enjoy views with no one behind you blocking your views. At night, relax in the MB suite with separate tub/shower. Need a second suite for a child, parent, or guest? You're covered with a second suite with 3/4 bath. This location has restaurants, shops, and parks in walking distance for you. Quick access to Montano, Paseo, and I-40 makes this ideal for many. Don't pass on this. 3D tour and upgrade list are available. For more information,